Acupuncture for healing injuries, anxiety, and blood pressure. History of acupuncture. Now, this has been originated in China 2,000 to 5,000 years ago. It is actually described in ancient texts such as Haondi Neijing as a healing modality. It has spread outward of China in 5000 BCE into Europe, and in the 16th century, it actually came to the United States. In 1972, when President Richard Nixon actually took a trip to China, one of his adversaries got really sick and got surgery, but he was sedated by acupuncture instead of anesthesia. After this, many doctors traveled to China to learn about acupuncture. There are many different styles of this because of all the places that it spread. So some of the benefits, well, we know that it works by stimulating meridian points to unblock stuck energy and promote energy flow. So the meridians actually do correlate with certain organs in the body, and there is actually some interesting data behind that as well. So number one here is that it promotes healing of injuries. It improves tissue perfusion by improving vasomotor control, and it can actually improve strength by removing motor inhibition, essentially promoting healing to the area. Number two is it reduces inflammation. Recent advances in electroacupuncture may permit activation by specific neural networks to prevent organ damage in inflammatory and infectious disorders. Number three is it lowers blood pressure. In a clinical trial, hypertensive patients were divided into an acupuncture group and a medication group. The group who received the acupuncture treatment had significant improvement over the medication group. And this was done in the Journal of Traditional Chinese Medicine. Number four, anxiety. A meta-analysis has found strong evidence that acupuncture can treat chronic anxiety disorders. Another meta-analysis of 12 studies and 916 people showed that the acupuncture group had significantly less anxiety than the placebo group. Number five is thyroid issues. A meta-analysis of 92 studies showed that acupuncture can benefit patients with a variety of thyroid disorders. Patients experience less symptoms and improved biomarkers. Now, what are some different types of acupuncture? There's a variety of different types of acupuncture because all of it places has spread. There's also a variety of needles that have different purposes. Even electroacupuncture that uses electromagnetic energy along the meridians with needles. So Chinese acupuncture, this is the most common form in the US. It actually focuses on bringing balance to the body no matter what condition by managing the qi flow. Practitioners insert 1.5-inch needles into acupoints. Japanese acupuncture. This is similar to Chinese acupuncture, but it's more subtle. They don't use many needles, and they use shorter needles. They also can incorporate much more touch into their practice. Korean acupuncture. This is also similar to other styles, but uses many more needles. They can also use copper needles instead of stainless steel. So overall, this is just another healing modality that you can incorporate into your practice if you're dealing with a specific condition or just to learn more about it. There's so many healing modalities out there, and a lot of ancient ones that have been used for thousands of years now are backed by modern science. All right, everyone. Thank you for tuning into the show. For more, you can head over to anthonygastella.com for articles, coaching, and other free resources. Also, if you can, leave a review for the show, let people know what you think, and I would appreciate that so much. Support the mission of freedom. Thanks for being on this mission with me, and I promise to give you more powerful, empowering, great content to help transform your life. Thanks for tuning in.